Sharing experiences on skincare for people who often fly. As a language model, I do not have personal experiences. However, I can share some general tips and recommendations for people who often fly and want to take care of their skin. Flying can be a fun and exciting experience, but it can also take a toll on your skin. The changes in air pressure, dry cabin air, and exposure to germs can leave your skin feeling dry, irritated, and dull. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to keep your skin looking and feeling healthy, even when you're flying frequently. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. One of the most important things you can do for your skin when flying is to stay hydrated. The dry air in the cabin can cause your skin to become dehydrated, which can lead to dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. Make sure you drink plenty of water before, during, and after your flight to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Moisturize regularly. In addition to drinking plenty of water, it's also important to moisturize your skin regularly when flying. Choose a moisturizer that is rich and hydrating, and apply it generously to your face, hands, and any other areas that feel dry. If you're traveling with carry-on luggage, make sure your moisturizer meets the airline's liquid restrictions. Protect your skin from the sun. Flying at high altitudes can expose your skin to more UV radiation, which can cause damage and premature aging. Make sure to wear sunscreen with a high SPF, even if you're flying at night or on a cloudy day. You can also wear a hat or use a parasol to shield your skin from the sun. Avoid wearing makeup. Wearing makeup when flying can clog your pores and make your skin more prone to breakouts. If possible, try to avoid wearing makeup on the day of your flight. If you must wear makeup, choose lightweight, non-comedogenic formulas that won't clog your pores. Use a face mist. Using a face mist can help to refresh and hydrate your skin when flying. Look for a mist that contains hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin, and spray it on your face whenever your skin feels dry or tight. Bring a sheet mask. Sheet masks are a great way to give your skin an extra boost of hydration when flying. Bring a sheet mask with you on your flight, and apply it during the flight to give your skin a mini spot treatment. Avoid touching your face. When flying, it's important to avoid touching your face as much as possible. Your hands can pick up germs from the airplane, which can lead to breakouts and other skin problems. If you do need to touch your face, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly first. Get some sleep. Sleep is essential for healthy, glowing skin. Try to get as much sleep as possible when flying, and bring an eye mask and earplugs to help you sleep more soundly. If you have trouble sleeping on planes, try listening to calming music or practicing meditation or deep breathing exercises. Stay active. Sitting for long periods of time on a plane can cause fluid retention, which can make your skin look puffy and dull. Make sure to move around and stretch your legs regularly during your flight to promote healthy blood flow and prevent fluid retention. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet is important for overall health and can also benefit your skin. Choose foods that are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and avoid foods that are high in sugar, salt,